with our CRM system. First is the database filtering. All dashboard matrices and graphs can be filtered by a custom date range for flexible analysis and trend comparison. Won or lost revenue graph, line graph comparison, won or lost revenue over timely, fully filterable by dates. Average lead value shows the average value of leads in the selected period. Then comes the lead analytics, total leads generated in the selected time frame, average leads per day, date-wise lead breakdown. Then comes the quotation and contact matrices, which includes total quotations and total persons and total businesses. Then comes the performance highlights, which includes top products and top performing persons. Then comes the revenue breakdown, which includes revenue by stage, revenue by source, and revenue by type. So let's start with lead management module. The lead management module serves as the foundation of CRM sales workflow. It helps team capture, organize, and track every potential business opportunity, whether it comes from online channel, in-person visits, or business partnerships. Let's walk through how leads are generated, managed, and monitored inside the CRM. New leads can be created manually using the Create Lead button or directly from any stage card on the pipeline. The CRM supports multiple lead sources, including business, walk-in, and website, ensuring that every inquiry, whether digital or offline, is captured without delay. When creating a lead, user can fill in key details such as lead title and description, lead source, lead type, lead value, expected close date, sales owner. The lead source indicates where the opportunity originated, such as online website submissions, in-person walk-ins at a store, or B2B business inquiries. Lead type categorizes the opportunity as either a new business or an existing business, helping the sales team plan the correct engagement strategy. The sales owner field assigns the lead to the team member responsible for follow-ups and conversion. User can also add contact person details, link the lead to an associated organization, and attach related products by specifying quantity, unit price, and total amount. Once the form is completed, the lead is instantly added to the selected pipeline stage. All created leads appear in a structured tabular view that gives quick access to key information. From this screen, admins can edit details such as lead value, source, type, sales owner, expected close date, and contact information. They can also master delete multiple leads or open any individual lead to view its complete details. Within each lead, user can manage all customer interactions and activities. They can send emails, upload or save files, and schedule key actions like calls, meetings, or lunches. While scheduling an activity, the user can select the activity type and choose a preferred date and time to ensure timely follow-ups. The system provides an organized view of all related items including planned activities, notes, calls, meetings, lunches, files, emails, change logs, lead description, associated products, related codes. This gives the sales team complete visibility into lead history and engagement. The CRM allows users to filter leads based on their current stage, such as new, follow-up, prospect, negotiation, won, or lost. This makes it easier to prioritize active opportunities, track progress, and focus on deals that need immediate attention. To maintain data security, the lead management module is accessible only to authorized users with the appropriate permissions. The lead management module simplifies how business capture opportunities, maintain communication, and move deals through the sales pipeline, enabling teams to work efficiently and convert leads into revenue. Quote management. The quote management module enables team to create, organize, and track price quotations for potential customers. It ensures every quotation is linked to the correct lead or contact, including accurate pricing details, and gives a complete financial breakdown for approval and follow-up. Let's explore how quotes are created and managed within the CRM. To create a new quote, the admin simply clicks on the Add Queue button Here, user can enter essential details such as subject, description, sales owner, expiry date, linked person, linked lead. These details ensure that the quote is properly assigned, connected to the right lead, and routed to the correct customer contact. Next, the system allows the admin to enter billing and shipping addresses details for the quotation. This includes country, state, city, postcode. Capturing accurate address information helps assure precise documentation, smooth process delivery, and error-free invoice generation. Under the quote item section, user can add one or more products related to the quotations. For each product, the following details can be specified: product name, quantity, price, amount, discount, tax, and total. The admin can continue adding multiple products as needed, making the quote flexible for bundled offerings or multi-item proposals. Once all the quote items are added, the CRM automatically calculates the complete financial summary. It includes subtotal, total discount, tax amount adjustment, and final grand total. After creation, all quotes appear in quote module in a structured list view. Each entry displays the quote subject, linked lead, and contact, total amount, status, and other key details at a glance. From the screen, user can open a quote to view complete details, edit, or update quote information whenever required. This gives the sales team full control and visibility over all ongoing quotations. The quotation management module ensures that pricing proposals are accurate, organized, and seamlessly connected to leads and customers, empowering sales teams to respond faster, maintain transparency, and close deals more efficiently. Let's have a look at email management module. The email management module allows administrator to manage all email communication directly within the CRM. In this module, the admin can access their inbox and view all incoming emails in real time. The system also provides complete mailbox functionality, including drafts, outbox, send, trash. With this, admins can manage their entire email lifecycle from composing and sending to archiving and deleting without leaving the CRM. Next comes the activity management module. The activity management module enables team to track, organize, and manage all interactions and follow-up tasks related to leads, contacts, and opportunities. It ensures timely engagement and provides complete visibility into every action taken throughout the customer journey. The activity listing screen displays all activities created within the CRM. Each entry shows key details. All tasks generated during lead creation or while managing ongoing opportunities are automatically captured here, giving users a complete overview of their engagement history. The calendar view provides a visual representation of all upcoming, ongoing, and complete activities. Users can navigate through daily, weekly, or monthly views to plan their workload efficiently. This layout makes it easy to identify clashes, manage time efficiently, and ensure that no follow-up or client interaction is missed. To streamline task tracking, admins can filter activity by type, date, or status. They can also edit, delete, or reschedule an activity when needed and mark tasks as complete once the interaction is done. This flexibility ensures accurate tracking and supports consistent follow-up throughout the sales cycle. The activity management module helps sales team to stay organized, maintain accountability, and ensure every client interaction is executed on time. Now comes the contact management module. The contact management module acts as central directory for all individuals and business entities associated with the organization. It helps teams store, organize, and maintain accurate record of customers, prospects, and business partners, ensuring smooth communication and a unified data structure across the CRM. To add an individual contact, the admin enters following details such as name, email, contact number, etc. Once added, a complete contact profile is generated. It includes planned activities, notes, calls, meetings, lunches, files, emails, channel logs. This consolidated view ensures that every communication linked to the person is captured and easily accessible. Admins can also register business entities. For each business contact, the system captures organization name, address details, assigned sales owner. This creates a clear hierarchy between organizations and their associated people, maintaining structured relationships between businesses, contacts, and leads. All contacts added to the CRM are displayed in a structured, searchable list view. From this centralized table, admins can open and view full contact profiles, edit existing details when updates are required, delete inactive or outdated contacts, apply filters or search to quickly locate specific contacts. The contact management module ensures that the customer information stays organized, detailed, and always up to date, forming the foundation of effective CRM operations. Now comes the product management module. The product management module allows the super admin to maintain a complete catalog of all products offered by the organization. To add a new product, the super admin fills out the general section, which includes product name, description, SKU, price in AUD, available quantity. These details ensure each product is clearly defined, easy to identify, and ready to be included in quotes or linked to leads. All created products are displayed in a tabular list view. This table shows key attributes such as product name, description, SKU, price, and quantity. From here, the super admin can view complete product detail, edit information such as pricing, description, or stock quantity. Deleted products that are discontinued are no longer needed. Keep the product catalog clean and update ensures smooth sales operations and accurate quoting. The product management module provides a centralized and organized product database, ensuring seamless integration across sales, workflows, and supporting efficient error-free coding and lead management. Now comes the user management module. Here, admins can create new users by providing the following information: name, email, password and confirm password field, assigned role. Additionally, view permissions can be configured based on the role, ensuring the user sees only the modules and actions permitted for them. Admins can assign roles such as administrator, stock manager, owner, staff, etc. All the users are displayed in a centralized data table with the following key details: name, email, status, and timestamp. From this table, admins can efficiently manage the user base using edit, update, delete, filter, and search functionalities. When a user is added, the system automatically sends an onboarding email. The email includes a login link and a temporary password. The user logs in using the temporary password. On first login, the user is prompted to set a new personal password. For roles and permissions, admins can assign permissions using two options. All permissions provides full access to all modules and actions. Custom permissions, admins can manually select allowed actions for each module for view, create, edit, delete. The user will only be able to view and use the modules for which the admin has granted permissions. This ensures user operates strictly within their allowed access boundaries, promoting system security and efficient task management. New groups by providing name and description. Admins can view all created groups in a list view, use search and filter to quickly find the required group. Next comes the pipeline management. User can create a new pipeline by entering name, roten days, and mark as default. That is option to set this pipeline as the default for all new leads. Each pipeline includes customizable and predefined stages such as new stage, newly added stage, one stage, and lost stage. Administrators can add additional stages based on business needs, offering flexibility to adapt the pipeline to different sales processes. Users and admins can perform the following actions: save, edit, and delete. This ensures pipeline remains aligned with evolving sales strategies and support efficient lead management. Work management allows users to define, organize, and manage all channels through which leads are generated. User can create a new lead source by entering the source name and clicking Save. Common source types include business, website, walk-in. Source listing and management. All created sources are shown in a structured data table. From this table, user can view, edit, and maintain a clean and organized list that supports accurate reporting. The centralized view helps teams analyze which lead channels perform best and support informed decision making in sales and marketing strategies. Now comes to type management. The type management module enables administrator to define and maintain business types used when creating or categorizing leads. Admins can click the Create Type button to add a new type, fill in name field in the pop-up form, and click Save Type to store the new entry. All created types are displayed in structured table with the following columns: ID, name, and action. Now comes the warehouse management. Here, the user can create a new warehouse by entering the details such as contact information and general information. User can view, edit, and delete the warehouses that are no longer required. Then comes the automation management. Here, the super admins can create and manage custom attributes used across different modules in CRM. All attributes appear in a data table where the admin can view, edit, or delete them. Next comes the email templates. User can create, modify, and delete email templates to standardize communication. Then comes the events. Then comes the events. User can add, edit, or delete events. Then comes the campaigns. The super admin can create and manage campaigns for targeted marketing or sales activities. All campaigns are displayed in a table where super admin can view, edit, or delete campaigns. Then comes the webhooks. Users can configure system integrations by adding, editing, or deleting webhooks. Then comes the workflows. User can create, update, or remove workflows to automate key processes like lead assignment, notifications, etc. Then comes the data transfer. The data transfer module allows SuperAdmin to import large data sets such as persons, products, or leads.